When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better. And baby, you don't
Good morning, CG crew. Hope everyone's having a good day, even night, whatever time you're watching this video. We're in the kitchen today. It is Saturday, July 3rd. I'm about to cook some breakfast, and yeah.
'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better. And baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone. But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn.
Y'all, call me crazy, but I can't stand when stuff have that little ice film on it. I do not want to touch it. It's just something about it that just does something to me. It's crazy, but I just can't. So, and anyway, I'm still gonna watch my sausages off. So. You know what, this is actually going to be a vlog. So you guys going to see a good day vlog. Yeah.
What I've got
cooking for my family. So hands will be used.
Tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
CG Crew, we're all here. Once again, we're back with the jump off. So yeah, we're about to head to my aunt and uncle's house. Spend some time over there. We haven't seen them since before the pandemic, and then my aunt is in town from Miami, so we're gonna, you know, hang out over there, just spend some time, eat, and just enjoy. And we're gonna take you guys with us. Alrighty.
Yeah, up on the mountain top, I'm gonna let everyone.
CG Crew. So I had to run in Publix and get a bag of ice, and while I'm here, I went ahead and picked up some Purexes is buy one get one free, and some charcoal and lighter fluid. And my glasses are fogging, so I'm going to head to the line now. So we made it over here to my aunt and uncle's house. So we're just chillaxing. The boys are outside with everybody. And just me and Double C sitting here in the inside. What's this? Fatal Attraction? The Mobile Patrol right there. So yeah. So the kids are outside playing. I remember when I was their age, I used to be right here playing too. Moochie, no, that was for the seats. Oh, you gonna do that too? Do the seats first. On that. With the Lysol wipe and then wipe it. This white thing too.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what so say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there.
Be careful.
Stay in the moment. Give you a moment. Give you a moment.
Be careful.
Spend all
You
the
feel?
roses. Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen your smile since December.
I keep missing you.
Ripped your heart, got a brand
Be
new
careful.
heart since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for
Let's
the
see the
night.
sales
With too many heartbreaks still on your mind.
I'm running and tripping.
Burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment.
We're in the garage on the exit. Get a little exercise. You're not racing. No, you chill. No, I don't want you to fall.
On your mark. Good. Training, don't shoot. On your mark.
Pull your pants up, Duka.
Good.
This one's already dirty.
Go. Channing won.
Channing had a head start though.
A little bit, but he won. Channing won. He did.
Look at him. Boy, you're so weird. Stop.
Been trying to find your way. Let's see
What?
you smiling. Since we were stuck in
Oh.
LA, we gonna jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
When I say go, on your hold them up. On your mark. You need to
Wait.
You gotta do all that.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a up what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back.
Ain't they now?
Oh, Lord, we gon' make it big one day.
Go.
We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks
So,
still on your mind.
just wanted
Let
to
the
end
flame
the
burn
vlog.
down
We
for
have
a
made it
while.
home.
Let the flame burn out for a while.
About 30 minutes or so.
Stay in the moment. Stay
So,
in the moment with
yeah.
me.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. And I hope you all be well and be safe. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to definitely hit that like button, okay? We will appreciate it. Because when you're gonna like it here.